Okay, this problem is quite something. It is a product rule question with a chain here, which is pretty awesome. So we're looking at, well, I guess it's not so much a chain. Yeah, there's no real chain. This is a product rule question. And you've got your first part right here and your second part right here. We're asked to find h prime. But we're given the table instead of using derivative rules, or instead of having like an algebraic function where we're taking a derivative of that, we're using this table to sort of plug in the derivatives. So, that mark there. We're asked to find h prime of 1. But before I'm able to do that, I need to find h prime. Okay, so what that's going to be, and I'm going to color code this. Let's see. I'm going to have this be the derivative of this. So the derivative of the first, which is the yellow part, times the second, plus the derivative of the second times the first. Okay. So now let's just go ahead and find these four things out. The derivative of the first is going to be 2 times f prime only. The derivative of 3 will go away. Times 1 plus g. Plus the derivative of the second, which would be g prime, times the first, which is 2 times f plus 3. Alright, we're getting closer. I think we're going to need to, we can put this here. Alright, 2 times f prime. Well, f prime, let's see, it's negative 2, so this could be negative 4. 1 plus g, so that's 1 plus negative 3, so negative 2, plus, excuse me 1 second, the derivative of the second, which is g prime, so that's 4, plus 2 times 3, which is 6, plus another 3, makes 9. So if we go ahead and do this, this becomes 36 when we multiply these two together. This becomes 8. You add these two together, and you finally get 44, which is our answer. First, it did look like a chain rule problem, but and you expect these type of problems to often have chains. Just so happened that this one didn't. Because nothing was really inside of the other. They were just two things being multiplied by each other with different derivatives. Kind of a fun problem. Took a little bit of time, and on the AP test, you'd want to go faster than what I was doing. But if you look at the length of the video, I'm explaining things, I'm color coding. Still only took 4 minutes, so I think it's realistic to think you can get this done in a minute or a minute and a half. All right, we're so close to the end. I'll see you at problem 90.